Hi and welcome to another Fluff and Stuff.
Fluff and Stuff.
The last month I've been busy on doing some of the writing slope, which patrons will have been able to see over there, and I've also been busy with the Asian Nightstand, and that series is now started, so if you haven't caught that yet, do check out the playlist. My next video in that series will be coming out in about 10 days time. Chad's will be coming out in a couple of days time, so watch out for that. Now the writing slope, if you're not a patron, then you won't have seen an awful lot about that. Patrons are getting some videos of that quite regularly now, and finding out how that's going. If you want to see it straight away, then get yourself over to Patreon. But don't worry, if you don't want to pay or don't want to support it, then I will be doing some videos here on YouTube, so you will see that eventually. Now the Asian Nightstand's been going really well. 3 episodes have come out so far. There are, I think, 5 more until we finish that. If you want to support that one, you can do so on Just Giving. I've given the details before and you can find something in the description below. Now I should have been making the draw for that today, but for the life of me I can't find my glasses. So I'm going to have to hunt around for those and try and get that done. Now, don't forget, over on my website, you can find some woodworking articles. I started doing those every month towards the end of last year. I'm going to try and keep doing those every month. So if you get fed up of watching videos, there's a bit of reading you can do. Now, if you follow on Instagram, Twitter or Facebook, you'll have seen some pictures of some of the bases I've been making for old relics. And that's been quite interesting. I've really enjoyed doing that. And you know, if you'd like to see something a bit different from what I normally put on YouTube, just have a look at the photos and the little notes that I put on those that have come out in the last couple of months. Well, for the going forwards, you may have seen the Shoji Door article I had in Woodworking Crafts magazine for February, and you may have seen the first video that came out on that a few days ago. Now, there is a series of 4 videos, so there are 3 more to come, and there should have been one coming out this weekend coming. But quite fortuitously, actually, Inventables have asked me to do 4 videos this year with the X-Carve. Obviously now that's being paid, so please watch out for those. If you're not interested in CNC, well, it's a short video and hopefully you'll find it enjoyable anyway. If you are, you may see some things in there that you hadn't thought of doing yourself. And also the project I'm making, and here's a little teaser, you can make that just with power tools or hand tools. You don't need a CNC. So it might give you an idea of something that you can make yourself anyway. So please watch out for that at the weekend, and you'll see 3 more videos for Inventables throughout the rest of the year. Now, the fact that I'm being paid for those means that I can spend a bit more time making videos of unplugged woodworking, hence the t-shirt. And if you want to get the t-shirt, obviously you can do that through my website as well. So I think it's a win-win, the collaboration with Inventables. Everyone gets a bit of what they want. Now, if you're waiting for the second Shoji Door video, that's probably going to be in a couple of weeks now. I do try and get one reasonable length video with some good woodworking, some instruction or something like that coming out once a week if I can, and so I've slipped that back a couple of weeks because of the X-Carve video, and the series will then progress after that, and it'll go in between the Asian inspired nightstand videos, because one of those will be coming out from me every fortnight, at least that's what's planned at the moment, and one from Chad every fortnight, and they interleaf with themselves as well. Well, that's about it. Until next time, safe woodworking, enjoy yourself in the workshop, and I'll see you soon. Cheerio.